Kontiki day 5-ish. We're in Chiang Mai, just got off the 12-hour overnight train, which was cool. Great little experience, and now we are heading to see another beautiful temple. This afternoon we've got a Muay Thai fighting class. Tonight we've got a Thai cooking class, and then we're out because it's one of the girls' birthdays. So probably another big night on the buckets. Check this out.
Happy birthday, dear Lexi.
What's happening here, bro?
He found a good tree, and it looks like, yeah, he's going now. It's a steady stream. It's not slowing at all.
Muay Thai class done, body V sore, but that was great fun. Now we're off to a cooking class. We're going to learn to make 5 different Thai dishes, so that'll be awesome. Tonight we're now going to a Thai kickboxing fight because we love it, and then after then we are going to party the night away for Lexi's birthday, so this should be rad. Anthony, did you enjoy your plate?
Oh yeah, it wasn't too bad. The second one was just as good too.
Maybe there's the curry, something